It is 2090 and we are attacked by a huge wave of zombies. There is almost no safe place on Earth anymore because infection is spreading everywhere. It is the nightmare that we all had. There is no hope anymore. It is the moment when they will get revenge from us for all that mocking we had about them in movies and video games. But wait, while we all are sitting on the shelter, why not killing the silence? With some discussing about how this started, discover the source of this interesting idea that influences thousands of humanity creative works. Today, we go together in a journey to the amazing Mother Nature, where we learn about what it called the zombie ant. At the beginning we should talk about fungus, a big group of organisms that exist almost everywhere, in the forest, on your old bread and fruits. Seriously, you need to throw that old lemon on your fridge. Some are delicious, some are positioned with pretty colors, some are so tiny for our eyes to see, and other can control the behavior of the victim. Since fungus are too many, even the ones that affect the behavior, we will focus our concern about specific type called. Wait a second. I guess we need help from Google.
Oh, UNILATERALIS.
Yeah, good luck with spelling that. Anyway, let's agree to call it the ant fungus for now since it attacks ants primarily. This scary creature exists mainly on tropical forest. Some reports say they found it also on some hot weather area, and it was discovered in 1859. The ant fungus can control the ant behavior by creating cells that surround the host brain, which enable it to control the central nervous system. It uses different metabolites to detect the ant type, and whatever it is alive or dead. This effect depends on the host type. For example, for the typical ants that get infected with fungus in nature, it causes the zombie behavior, but for others, it causes death. The infected ant tends to leave the colony, to go to an area with high humidity. Then it starts to climb up until it reaches a leaf, where it sticks itself, taking from 4 to 10 days until it dies. During that, the ant fungus grows from the body, to spread itself again. Even while the ant has died, the ant fungus can keep tied to the leaf by influencing the muscle. Now you will say, wait a minute, if that is true, then how ants are not extinct yet? Well, that is a very good question actually. You see, the fungus has a lot of challenges during that cycle. First, it needs to affect the host successfully, pray that no outsider will interfere while he gets inside, and make sure that the ant will stay alive until it kills it. Fungus can affect each other as well, where only about 6.5% of their produce can stay alive. In addition, it is subject to weather conditions like wind and radiation. More bad news for our ant fungus. Ants themselves develop protective methods against it, like cleaning themselves, since the infected one. And beside that, worker ants tend to stay always on the colony. Thus only the foragers get exposed, and by that the colony stays safe. On the other hand, it is worth mentioning that from a fungus perspective, transmission occurs directly from one host to the next without a free living stage or intermediate host. Now spotting an infected ant is not hard, since it tends to move randomly, fail a lot, and do not return to the colony. On general, there are around 33 types of fungus that can manipulate ants, and that can be variant based on the type. Poor ants. Please do not kill them next time, they suffer enough. In addition, other fungus that affect other creature has different effect, like hosts drowning themselves to allow a parasitic worm to reproduce, or rats losing their fear of cats when infected, which increase the likelihood the rat will get eaten by the definitive cat host of the parasite. Or maybe, Jerry decide to be brave. So, with that we all understand from where the zombie idea actually came, with a main adjustment that makes that kind of fungus affect the humans, so we are safe. Or are we? In fact, each year, around 2 million humans die from fungus, which means fungus kill more than malaria and get guard against the treatments by time. But at least, we do not die as zombies. Despite that, There are around 12 million species known as fungus, and many of them have a lot of medical benefits, as the secondary metabolites are potential for immunomodulatory, anti-tumor, hypoglycemic, hypercholesterol, and cancer treatment. I guess we are all going to die now. Hold on. I got some happy news. They found a treatment to stop the zombie wave. All we need to do is subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. It is just a press, but it can save all of us. You did. Thank God. You are a hero. We reached the end of our trip. We hope you enjoy it all. Let us know what is the next trip you would love for the upcoming video, and please feel free to check the sources in the description if you are interested to learn more about the topic. Until then, we look forward to seeing you again.